Delta SkyMiles Gold Business Up. The pros, the cons. If you fly Delta frequently for work, the Delta SkyMiles Gold Business Card might be your ticket to smoother business travel and faster rewards. But is it really worth it? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. You earn 2 miles per dollar on Delta purchases, restaurants, and US advertising or shipping expenses, and 1 mile on everything else. You also get your first check bag free and priority boarding perks that can save frequent travelers both time and money. Another big advantage is the welcome bonus. New cardholders often earn tens of thousands a bonus mile after meeting a reasonable spending threshold. Plus, there is no foreign transaction fee, making it ideal for international business trips. Now for the cons. After the first year, there's an annual fee, and the card doesn't include lounge access or the high-end perks found in Delta's Platinum or Reserve versions. Also, if you're not loyal to Delta, the rewards won't stretch as far as flexible point systems like Chase Ultimate Rewards. So, who should get it? The Delta SkyMiles Gold Business Card is perfect for small to medium business owners who fly Delta often and want essential perks without high costs. The surprising truth? Even without luxury benefits, this card can easily pay for itself with just a few round-trip flights each year thanks to baggage savings and bonus miles alone.